Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to stop using the screen and power off the phone now. That prevents accidental taps and saves time. Once off, remove the case and position the device on a flat surface under bright light so you can see dust and bubbles. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe the surface, then a 1/2-inch tape or dust sticker to lift tiny particles. If the protector is removable, lift only one edge. Do not peel it all the way yet, so you can address dust without introducing new debris. Now focus on pushing bubbles out. Use a credit card wrapped in microfiber or a small squeegee and press from the center of the bubble toward the nearest edge. Apply steady, even pressure at about a 45 degrees angle so you push air and liquid out without stretching the protector. Once done, make sure to check all edges and corners. If a stubborn dust speck remains, lift the nearest corner gently. Use a piece of tape to pick up the speck, then smooth the protector back down slowly. Finish by pressing all edges firmly to create a full seal, and run the microfiber wrapped card across the surface slowly to remove microbubbles. If a bubble doesn't move after repeated passes, it may be permanent. Replace the protector rather than risk damage. Make sure to inspect under bright light because small particles can hide. If things go wrong, like trapped dust, lift the nearest corner. Use tape to pull out the particle, then reseal. If the screen itself is scratched or warped, plan on a replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.